Next to installer wise, they start at 1.5 inches and they grow to 2.5 inches. All our tapered insulation board is run now. That's the first course is X, then a Y, then 2 inches of insulation followed by another X on top. And then right there in the middle we just did a 1 inch piece and then a 1/2 inch piece on the top to meet up with the tops of those 2 inch plus X's on the high sides. And you can see the tip design there, just like a regular old tip roof, just it's 1/4 inch on 12 slope, almost flat. We've got our TPO coated drip edge on the edge, ready to receive the strips of TPO and be welded down. Be round our corners. Because the square, if they're square, then they can easily kind of pill up over time. But those round corners are really good for staying put.